Motivate me with G-O-D.
The Wow Podcast. Motivated G on the MIC for my Lord and Savior G-O-D, and this podcast is being taped on Saturday, March 11th of 2023, which happens to be the 70th day of 2023, and I'm going to be laying it out as it relates to opportunity. God gave me this word to unwrap, the word opening the wrap, and it's coming from Ephesians chapter 5, verse 16. Check the scene and you'll know what I mean. The word goes on to say, make the most of every opportunity in these evil days. And when it comes to the script, check this out, I'm about to flip, because the L-I-V-E spelled backwards starting with the E-V-I-L, this is the story that I gotta tell. Evil will test your stride. But if you let God inside to drive, He can reverse it and you can live all the way live. That's right. Life is like a test drive, and God gives us an opportunity every day. You heard it, to rehearse it and live all the way live. This is Motivated G on the MIC for my Lord and Savior G-O-D, where the word is opening the wrap, and you heard it like that. Stay with us as we come back and keep it locked. Stay tuned, be engaged, interact, share, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, this podcast, The Wow, Motivate Me with G-O-D, the word opening the wrap, is sponsored by JB, just another yoke fellow broadcasting. I'm Motivated G on the MIC for my Lord and Savior G-O-D. Peace out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you could be on time for our next podcast.